Ma'am, you can't be behind here. No, you can't be behind here. Never mind, it's mine.
2, 3, funk it.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are in Roblox Brookhaven and we are going to be trolling as a Starbucks barista. Yeah, a barista. So let's get started. It's currently 9:49 p.m. on a Wednesday, so I don't think anyone's really gonna be like awake and out and about, except for this person. And so probably just gonna have to wait a little bit. So let's just go ahead and get into a Starbucks barista outfit. Here it is. Okay. And I'm gonna put that I am a Starbucks worker, so people can actually like come here. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna put in chat Starbucks is open. Okay, so I put in chat Starbucks is open, so maybe some people will actually come in here and like buy something. I don't think that they will though, because I think that they're just gonna be like, it's really late, so no. Oh, there's a shooting going on outside. I'm sorry, what?
What?
Okay, I just heard it. Yeah, there's also a police officer out there too, so I may not just be hearing things. I might actually be correct in what I'm hearing. So, I don't see anyone like coming near Starbucks. There are people in the daycare, but I don't think that they are going to be coming to Starbucks. I mean, they're in daycare, so they obviously can't drive. I mean, they can. It's Brookhaven, but I don't think like if they're doing a role play that they're gonna get in a car and drive to Starbucks just to get their macchiato. So, but we'll wait and see. We'll just be here all night and wait until someone decides that they need caffeine to stay awake. Okay, I'm gonna put in chat again. Starbucks is now open. Get your caffeine for cheaper prices. Yep. Can you move the board out? Oh, okay. Hi, welcome to Starbucks. What can I get you? Oh my god, my dog. Okay, so an ambulance just went by and my dog is howling at it. Okay, so yes, and of course. So she wanted a pink grande. So I'm gonna give her the strawberry pink grande, $15. Ma'am, you can't be behind here. No, you can't be behind here. Hi. Okay, she just ran out of here, so. And. Wait. Here. Delivered. Straight to you. Oh, I can't give it to you because you're sitting. Never mind, it's mine.
Okay.
Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell so that you know whenever I upload a new video. Right. See you next time. Bye.